It's the coastal road. You see the light don't have already
Don't have the
like
wires.
Singapore one.
Yeah.
See.
No wirings anymore.
So at night it will be look very beautiful.
Yes, at night.
This is beach.
When we go home, we pass by here, Dada.
Ah.
We pass by
The
here.
nighttime we can
So
see
that
the
you can
light.
see the scenery. That time then we take photo to here.
If you swim inside, is that fish?
Yeah, shark.
Ah!
Shark
Yeah,
is
it's a
there.
sea what. Sea
Yeah,
got
it's a
shark
sea.
one mah.
It's a sea, not
Open
beach.
sea.
It's an open sea. It's a
Got bird.
Pacific.
Baby, sea got mermaid.
Front of the Pacific Ocean.
Mermaid.
Very nice, right? See?
Yeah.
The road is very wide. Our last time president do this. Built this one so that very convenient for
I
the
feel like people are swimming.
You also very blessed.
No, this is
you know
not
you all like- if
swimming
not,
on.
you will not come.
No, it's just
I still have to come.
No, that one is.
Come already. Who are going
boat.
to bring to?
Wait, is
there's
that
some
little?
people to stay. No,
Is that
right.
actually
They
people
call
swimming?
Yeah,
you
fishing-
rent
fishing
Rent
people.
a van or rent something like that.
No need. Yeah, I am
But
your
very
driver.
expensive.
Anything, anywhere you can go.
Yeah.
No need to rent.
Next time when you come back, I think maybe next time we got big car already.
Bigger than this.
Oh, you see the in front?
Can you do video from in front me?
Fine.
This is the coastal road.
It's very nice. You see the sky.
Hey, you see the boat me? No ship.
This one is fish pan.
Fish pan. Oh, fish pan.
Yeah, a lot
fish pan.
of milk fish.
Yeah.
Milk.
Fish there.
Bangus.
You know the expensive fish.
Ah, yeah. You go there before, right? Like this.
There you go there before, man.
Malaysia.
In Malaysia, we stay before.
Kelong, we stay before.
Oh.
Stay before.
You know, if we go Bali, right, we should stay at the hotel above the sea one.
I know lah, the resort.
Yeah.
Below the sea water.
Above. Below the
See
sea,
the
I will run away. Yeah, my friend go Bali.
I want to go for the 15 money. They want to swim.
Yeah.
Huh?
Mountain. Is that mountain?
I buy better for
Yes, yes.
What mountain? Mount
Ikaw
Fuji.
rin si ice cream dito din.
Huh?
Ikaw rin si ice cream sa SM.
Oh.
Okay.
40 but very nice. Oh, the scenery so nice. See in front.
Hey, you take
Actually, we'll be
picture.
going to this mountain. Supposed to be this mountain.
Supposedly,
But I think Gloria,
if you want to go there, we will
Kanatahan,
send
the
you
long
down
and winding
there.
road.
I think by the time we go out,
But
This is the
very
tallest-
cold
Tallest mountain in the Philippines.
in the
that one.
Philippines.
This one. Then, supposed to be we'll be going there, but long and winding road. Maybe we'll vomit because go up.
Go up, you know, and then when you reach there, you have fog. Yeah, like when you.
you talk, like Genting.
Yes,
Genting.
colder than Genting.
Yeah.
You want to go out?
Wait, what? Then my mouth has smoke.
We can go lah.
Yeah, we can go.
Wala.
Go
If
now.
you want,
No
we can
problem.
go lah.
We go to Tintin's house first, then after I bring
Yeah.
you there.
Wow.
Then we just go down.
But we never bring jacket.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's inside.
Yeah, we try.
Like aircon only, huh?
Yeah.
No aircon down there if you want.
Because
But we
supposed
got
to
aircon
be,
now, so
there is a place there.
very
but
cold.
a bit cold.
Supposedly, we stayed there in
One
my friend's house.
Like a glass house.
All glass.
Yes.
And then there's a one swimming pool, private swimming pool of my best friend.
Oh. Wow, you so rich.
Yeah. All my best friend is always.
All her friend is rich son.
All her best friends are.
She also rich, ma.
No.
Yeah.
We're very poor.
My relative, because my relative is a
Nah.
governor, a mayor, my cousin, mayor, vice governor in my hometown. If you if you wanted to go to my hometown, I can bring you to the house that's very clean one and very nice, big one somewhere. It's my relative, all my aunt, the brother of my father is, the wife is a doctor, head doctor in our province one. My family is all rich, but me and my husband is
Poor.
no poor.
We're the only poor.
Poor lah.
But we're rich in God's kingdom.
They just only so lah, like we have farm, like this. But all my family is all rich. My
The
side,
relatives.
my side. But my husband one relative is simple one. Very
Living in
simple.
kampung.
Ours one is big houses. We got big, the one big houses, very big. Yeah. In my hometown.
Ibabasa nato sila dito tin sa inyo atin para makikimama sa inyong mama ba. Kung in case gusto nila tin, i-travel na rin sila dito, ha? And ibabasa nato
Pwede
sa
rin,
inyo
kadali
ba.
raman yun. Anak na yung tababa, tagbansalan.
O galing, ibabasa sila dito.
Taba, tagbansalan din para maka-adjust sila sa katunggunin mo.
Bunga naman namin, hindi naman init.
Yeah. Cool already, the aircon. Huh? Very nice, right? You see? Then,
So how now? You want to go there?
See tonight lah, the timing lah. We also don't know your side and your side.
Ano siya, kanang...
But okay lah.
Malipong siya ba?
I mean, mag-stay na lang dito or ugma kaya
want to
siguro.
go.
Depende
yes,
lang
sir.
if you want to go. But if they don't want, then just stay first in the house like your house din.
Yan lah, I don't know, you decide lah.
Go lah. Sir want to go mah. Sir say come mah, say sing mah.
No problem.
no problem. We can
No,
go.
no.
We just only ride like that and then go down. That's
okay.
it only, ma.
Can I go. My husband want to stay. My husband say come here must see some scenery mah.
Yeah, correct. And the flowers there have
We'll drop our
very
things first at
nice.
Tintin's house. We'll drop first our things at Tintin's house, then we go. Then come down.
Then come down. Very fast one.
Very fast one. Here we cannot go very fast because there is a city driving limit. 60 only. So that's why I'm just slowing down.
Don't worry, we take our time. Safety is the most important.
Unsa man ni direte?
Coastal
Coastal
Road.
road.
Di, I mean, katong building nito.
Hey,
Unsa
here
man to?
very good, Alex. No traffic light. No traffic jam.
Okay, okay, wait.